My name is Nakia Haider Ranwala. I'm 20 years old and I recently graduated with my bachelor's degree in English literature from Jai Hind College, Mumbai. I believe that teaching is not just a hobby, but it also is a learning art that needs to be mastered. Through my knowledge and formal training in the English language, I strongly believe in spreading it through the medium of teaching. In 2011, I was given the opportunity to teach and work in a project titled Break Up the Barriers with the LC Isaac Kocaeli in Turkey. In my final year of college, while majoring in English, I was also selected as the secretary for the College English Association and was also given the opportunity to direct 2 English plays and act in them. I was made the editor of the College English magazine titled Vatiki. At the end of the year, I was awarded with the Shakuntala Chakriyani Prize for the Outstanding Student in English. I personally believe that every person needs to get the opportunity to attain knowledge and education for their own personal growth as well as the growth of the society that they are living in. If the opportunity is put out there, people need to maximize it, which will lead to global equity in terms of education, which is the need of the hour. I think ISEC is the ultimate platform to provide experience and exposure that is required for a person on their professional front. As I have lived the ISEC experience once, and I'm willing to do it all over again because it molded me and trained me for the challenges that come my way. Teaching being my choice of profession, I think with my ISEC experience, it will mold me and help me build a stronger ground for my future in the teaching profession.